In the bustling world of corporate dynamics, the role of a secretary is paramount. Often overlooked, yet indispensable, the secretary serves as the linchpin that binds the various facets of an organization together. This multifaceted position demands a unique blend of skills, ranging from administrative prowess to interpersonal finesse. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the intricacies of the secretary's role, examining the historical evolution of the position, the core responsibilities it entails, and the evolving expectations in the modern professional landscape. The origin of the term secretary can be traced back to the Latin word secretarius, meaning confidential officer or confidant. Historically, secretaries were individuals entrusted with confidential information, acting as gatekeepers and advisors to those in positions of power. Over time, the role evolved, adapting to the changing needs of society and business. In the early 20th century, secretaries were predominantly women, and their duties were often limited to basic administrative tasks. However, as societal norms shifted and women gained increased access to education and professional opportunities, the secretary's role expanded. The mid-20th century witnessed the advent of the executive secretary, a position that required a higher level of skill and responsibility. This shift marked the beginning of the secretary's transformation into a strategic partner in organizational success. Today, the modern secretary is a pivotal figure in the corporate world, serving as the right hand to executives and managers. The scope of responsibilities has expanded far beyond traditional clerical duties. A proficient secretary is expected to be a master of time management, a skilled communicator, and a problem solver. The ability to multitask efficiently is a hallmark of an exceptional secretary, as they navigate through a myriad of responsibilities with finesse and poise. One of the primary responsibilities of a secretary is managing communication. This involves not only answering phones and responding to emails, but also crafting written correspondence on behalf of their superiors. A well-crafted email or letter can leave a lasting impression, and secretaries often find themselves in the role of linguistic architects, ensuring that every word is meticulously chosen to convey the intended message with clarity and professionalism. Furthermore, secretaries play a crucial role in scheduling and time management. The demands on an executive's time are relentless, and an efficient secretary must possess the organizational acumen to create and manage intricate schedules. From arranging meetings to coordinating travel plans, the secretary acts as the guardian of their executive's time, ensuring that every minute is optimized for maximum productivity. In the realm of document management, the secretary is responsible for maintaining order and accessibility. This includes filing and archiving important documents, as well as retrieving them swiftly when needed. The advent of digital technologies has transformed the way documents are managed, requiring secretaries to adapt to new tools and systems for efficient information retrieval and storage. In addition to the technical skills required for administrative tasks, interpersonal skills are paramount for a successful secretary. They serve as the liaison between their executive and other team members, clients, and external stakeholders. Effective communication, both verbal and nonverbal, is essential in navigating the complex web of professional relationships that define the modern workplace. The secretary's role extends beyond mere administrative support. They are often entrusted with confidential information and sensitive matters. Trust is the bedrock of this relationship, and secretaries must handle privileged information with the utmost discretion and integrity. This fiduciary responsibility underscores the importance of ethical conduct in the secretary's professional toolkit. As organizations embrace diversity and inclusivity, the role of the secretary has become more inclusive as well. Regardless of gender, race, or background, individuals who excel in organizational and communication skills can thrive in this pivotal role. The modern secretary is a reflection of the diverse workforce, bringing a variety of perspectives and experiences to the table. The dynamic nature of the business world necessitates continuous learning and adaptation. Secretaries are expected to stay abreast of technological advancements, industry trends, and organizational changes. Professional development opportunities, workshops, and training programs are integral to honing the skills required for success in this ever-evolving role. The symbiotic relationship between a secretary and their executive is the cornerstone of a well-functioning organization. Executives rely on their secretaries not only for administrative support but also as trusted confidants and strategic partners. The secretary's ability to anticipate needs, provide solutions, and act as a buffer against unnecessary distractions is invaluable in fostering an environment where executives can focus on strategic decision-making. In conclusion, the role of a secretary is a dynamic and evolving one that transcends traditional stereotypes. From its historical origins as a confidential officer to its contemporary manifestation as a strategic partner, the secretary's journey reflects the broader shifts in societal norms and organizational dynamics. As businesses navigate the complexities of the modern world, the secretary remains a linchpin, weaving together the threads of communication, organization, and professionalism that define the fabric of success.